This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. In this video we will learn how to use AVERAGEIF function in Excel. So here you can see that we have a table and it contains different columns like year, months, Jan, Feb, March, April, and the total of all these 4 months year wise. So what we are going to do, we will perform the AVERAGEIF function in Excel. So here you can see that we are going to calculate the average of every year, the total of all the 4 months of every year, and we'll use the average function right over here in this cell. So what we will do, we will put n equal to sign in the formula bar, and I'll type the function name, which is AVERAGEIF, and put an opening parenthesis. Since you can see that there are different parameters like range, comma, criteria, and average range. So the range we are going to provide over here is the range of the years, like we have in this column. You can see from the cell B. In the column B, you can see that we have the range right from cell B5 till B17. So we will put B5, put a colon, and we'll type the last cell reference, which is B17, and we'll put a comma. Now here you can see that criteria is highlighted, and the criteria we're going to use over here is that we want to see the total of the year 2016 right over here in this cell. So we'll type 2016. So this is the criteria we are going to use, and we're going to check against this year, the average we are going to find out for this year. So now we'll put the average range. So the average we are going to put over here is, we'll pick up the values from the column G, and we'll type the first cell reference, which is G5, and we'll put a colon, and we'll type the last cell reference, which is G17, and I'll put a closing parenthesis, and I'll press the enter key. Here you can see that it gives us the value 279 for the year 2016, which is the average calculated for this year in this table. If you would like to double check whether the calculation we have performed, the average for the year 2016, is correct or not, you can just select the year 2016 and press the OK button. Since we have only one entry and the total was 279, so the average is also the same like the total, because there are no multiple entries for the year 2016. If there are more than one entry, then we can easily find out the average. So in this cell, now we are going to perform, first we will select all the years so that we can have a clear picture of that. Now we'll put an equal to sign. We're going to perform the same average calculation for the year 2017. So we'll type AVERAGEIF, and I'll type again the cell reference from B5 till B17, and I'll put a comma, and now we're going to type 2017, because since the year which we are going to check the average against 2017, so we'll type 2017, I'll put a comma, and we'll type the total cell average range, which is from G5 till G17. I'll put a closing parenthesis, and I'll press the enter key. So here you can see that we can see the average calculated by the formula is 283.5 for the year 2017. So we are going to double check it whether the average calculated by Excel is right or not. So we'll select the year 2017 and press the OK button. So here you can see that we have two different values for the year 2017, and if we can see the average which is calculated right over here is 283.5. so 283.5 is the same value, so it means that the formula has calculated the correct average for us for the year 2017. Likewise, we will check for the year 2018. So here we will type AVERAGEIF, we will put an opening parenthesis, And first we will select all so that we can have a clear picture of that, of the whole values in the table. We will type AVERAGEIF and we'll put opening parenthesis and we'll type B5 till B17. We'll type 2018 since the year is 2018, and we'll type your average unit, which is from G5 till G17, and we'll type closing parenthesis 2018. Say that it contains an error since we did not put the letter G, which is the correct cell reference. So here you can see sometimes it gives us, Excel is a very good database management system. It gives you your error message whenever you're going to perform any formula or any function you're going to use. It prompts you whenever it finds any error. It may find any error, it just prompts it right away. So it's a very good it is very good that to see and to notice that Excel always prompts you for any error message you may face while performing any calculation. So for 2020, for the year 2020, we will type AVERAGEIF. We'll put an opening parenthesis and we'll type first cell reference, which is B5, and put the last cell reference, which is B17. Put a comma and we'll type the year 2020. I'll type a comma and we'll type the average, which is from the G5 till G17, and we'll put again G17. It's G17 and put the closing parenthesis. Likewise for the year 2021, we'll type an equal to sign. We'll type AVERAGEIF. We'll put an opening parenthesis. We'll type the average reference from B5, the year reference from the B5 till B17. We'll type the year 2021 and we'll type the average reference. So average is from the reference cell G5 till G17, which we have been using for all the previous years. We'll put and closing parenthesis and we'll type the closing parenthesis. So here you can see that we have by using the averages functions, we have calculated the averages for every year here in this table. And if you wanna again double check whether the average calculated for the year 2021 is correct or not, so we'll select from the drop down menu and we'll select the year 2021, and here you can see that there are 3 different values and the average calculated by the averages formula is 281. So we're gonna check it. So here you can see, viewers, that the formula has given us the right and correct value. So thanks for watching, and that's all for today.